Welcome back, everyone. Building on our last session's basic definitions, today we're diving deeper into the core of cybersecurity. Remember those foundational concepts? They're crucial. If you haven't had a chance to review our first lecture, I highly recommend doing so. A strong understanding of those fundamentals is like the bedrock of a successful career in cybersecurity. Today, we'll be exploring the CIA Triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability, which are pivotal principles in protecting digital information. Let's delve into each of these components and understand how they form the backbone of cybersecurity. Remember, your engagement is key to mastering these concepts. Feel free to ask questions throughout the lecture. Let's continue our journey into the fascinating world of cybersecurity. Today, we're diving deeper into the core of cybersecurity. We'll be exploring the CIA Triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability, which are pivotal principles in protecting digital information. Let's talk about confidentiality. Think of it like a secret code, ensuring only the right people have access to your sensitive information. It's like having a password for your phone, protecting your personal messages and photos. Or it's like your bank account details, which must be kept confidential to prevent unauthorized access. Confidentiality is crucial for protecting private information like personal data, financial information, and company secrets. It means only those who are authorized can view or use the information, keeping it safe from unwanted access. All right, let's explore integrity. Integrity is like making sure information stays accurate and hasn't been changed by anyone who shouldn't have. It's like having a tamper-proof seal on a package, ensuring the contents remain the same as when they were sent. In the digital world, it's like ensuring your financial transactions are recorded correctly and no one can alter the amounts. It also means data is reliable and trustworthy, which is vital for making informed decisions. Integrity ensures that information remains accurate and unaltered, preserving its validity and preventing errors or fraud. Certainly, availability is about making sure information and systems are accessible whenever you need them. It's like having electricity at home, knowing you can use your appliances whenever you want. In the digital world, it means websites and online services are always available to users without interruptions or downtime. It also involves ensuring data is accessible to authorized users when needed, even in case of hardware failures or emergencies. Availability ensures that information and systems are accessible when required, providing timely access for users and operations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.